We are making Flappy Birds, and in this video we are going to actually make the titles for the game. This video is part of the Flappy Birds playlist of the YouTube on my channel. Alright, you see this title, Flappy Bird, Game Over, and a button. This is what we're going to make in this video. So we make a new file for this, and this is going to be 150 by 125. Zoom in. I will select the font, Bahas 93 regular or something, and make sure instead of sharp, this drop down is none. Type Flappy Bird, and you can see it is already pixelated. I'm going to drag it, resize it, and put it in the middle to be at the right position. I will remove the background, rasterize the layer, change the text color to white, and rasterize the layer and change the blending options to something like brown outline. So select the brown color and adjust the opacity and the spread and the size and the range to make it look just right. Let's reduce that. Oh, too big. Yeah, this just looks just right. Let's go ahead with this. I'm going to place this Flappy Bird on the top. Second thing I'm going to do is type another layer to say Game Over. This Game Over has to be in orange, so I will replace the color to orange text, resize it accordingly, put it in the middle. Yeah, this looks just right. And I'm going to select this layer, rasterize it, add the blending options instead of brown. This time it's going to be a white glow, and this looks just great. I'm going to place Game Over right in the middle of this image. And the third thing I need is a play button. So for that, I'll go to the shape, round rect tool. This is my round rect. Change the fill color to white, change the line color to green. And for the play symbol, I'm going to use this polygon tool, create a new layer, make this triangle type thing, fill it up with a green color with the fill tool, and place it accordingly to the middle. And this is my play button. So we're done with this file. I'm going to save it as titles.psd, and we are done with this. This video is part of the Flappy Birds playlist of the YouTube on my channel.